The Samsung Galaxy A77 5G is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones.
The Samsung Galaxy A77 5G is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones, blending premium design with powerful performance and next-level features. If you're looking for a device that feels flagship without breaking the bank, this phone is definitely worth your attention. Right from the first glance, the Galaxy A77 5G impresses with its sleek and modern design. Samsung continues its tradition of clean aesthetics, offering a slim profile, smooth matte finish, and a sturdy build that feels great in hand. The large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display is a true highlight, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or scrolling through social media, the 120 Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth performance that feels incredibly responsive. Under the hood, the Galaxy A77 5G is powered by a capable and efficient processor, making multitasking seamless and gaming lag-free. Apps open quickly, transitions are smooth, and even demanding games run comfortably on medium to high settings. Combined with ample RAM and storage options, this smartphone is built to handle everyday tasks and beyond without slowing down. One of the standout features of the Galaxy A77 5G is its versatile camera system. The main camera captures sharp and detailed photos with accurate colors, even in challenging lighting conditions. The ultra-wide lens allows you to capture more in every frame, perfect for landscapes and group shots, while the macro and depth sensors add creative flexibility. On the front, the selfie camera delivers clear and vibrant shots, making it ideal for social media lovers and video calls.